Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to your YouTube channel, Daniel's TV. This YouTube channel video, I'll be talking about SOARFUN and how to get started and how to register on this AirDrop. So, if you're into this channel, can you subscribe to this channel and also like this video and also comment what you say about this video in the comments below. So let's get started, guys. So now you go to your Telegram. So you click the link. So once you click the link in the description below, it's going to take you to your Telegram and it's going to load the bot for you. So once you load the bot for you, next thing to do is to click on this play. So you click on this play, get started on this project. So if I'm in my Telegram channel, I have posted this project before, but I'm doing this video so that you can understand how to do this project. So once you have logged in, you have already automatically register your account. The next thing to do is to come to this side here, which is menu. Click on this menu, come to this your personal. So when you click on this your personal, you are going to bind your wallet. You click on this personal. So when you go to your personal, you bind your wallet. You bind your wallet here. Once you are done, and you also put your email so that you can link it. And once you are done, you are good to go. And come to this your profile right here. You bind your email. So once you are bind your email, you are automatically a verified member on this AirDrop. You bind your email. I'm going to send the notification to your email you are going to use. So next thing to do is to come to this your personal here. You input your binding address, visual address. So you can use USDT, Ethereum, you can use Ton, anyone you choose to use, you can use any of it. So once you are done, next thing to do is to come to this end session here. Come to this end session here. The interface of this will automatically change. So if you want to run the daily SOARFUN trading, you come to this part here. Let's go back here. You come to this part here, which is the last angle here, which is right here, which is here. Click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to load. So once you click on it, you can do your daily sign in, which is you are going to do your daily trading for 20 times every day. So every day you have like 8 hours to do this signing, and the trading is 3 times in a day. So the purpose of this trading is to accumulate a lot of their token, which is the SOARFUN, and very soon they are going to be listing and there will be TG very soon. This is what time which are going to be listing very soon. So this is best time for you to accumulate a lot of this token. So now you can set any of the trade you want, any trade you want. So it's not automatically, this one is not a true trading. So just for you to accumulate a lot of their tokens, so you can choose any of it. So I like using this BNB USDT. So once I click on this BNB USDT, so I can go for any trade which I want to do here. So you can click on this high or low, anyone I want, I can go for it. So I click on this eye now. When I click on this eye, I'm going to wait patiently for it to load. So now, once you click on any of it here, so I click on this eye now. So if this eye didn't work, I can use this low. If it don't work, I can use this low without to complete it. So you can also go for this low, any one of it you can go for it, so I can complete. Now you see our round is what have 20 rounds. So this 20 rounds is supposed to need to be 0. So once it's 0, you are done for today. So let me see, maybe this one will go. So now automatically this round successfully, and I have earned what 150 SFSC, which is what SOARFUN'S coin. So you can do this every day to earn their token. Remember, every day you only have 3 times to do it, which is to you have to clear this to 0 so that you can get their tokens. So you can continue, just to make this video, you can continue to also check it and also be doing your daily trading on SOARFUN'S every day. I hope you understand. So you can choose any of the trade you want, either BNB or Ethereum, anyone. But for me, I like using BNB to trade on these projects. Remember, it's not a real trading, just for you to accumulate all their tokens. But you are also a trader, so you can also come in and change the trading here, which is to USD, and this one needs you need to add funds to it. So this project doesn't need you to put any money or to put any dime, so you can earn automatically without putting any dime in this project. So you can go ahead and also register on this project if you haven't registered. So next thing to do is to come to this side here, come to this end part here, and you complete the tax right here. So you can open this right here, which is in open turn cash. You start the bot, make sure you complete the tax. Next thing to do is you just have to go back. So make sure you complete all the tax here. So you complete all the tax here, and you also do their daily tax. So you join their Telegram, you join their Twitter, you join everything. You are going to join this tax here. So once you are done, you are good to go. So another good thing about this project is that you can also play games to also earn a lot of tokens for yourself. So now you can come to this part here, which is game. So once you click on this game now, you can choose any of the game you want to play, and you'll be earning their coin, which they are going to be listing very soon. So you can choose any game you want, just like you playing random games on your phones and your mobile, but this one you are earning a token for yourself. So you can choose any game you want to play. You can play a real demo, or you can play a demo, you understand? So anyone you choose to play. So let me just go back, so you can complete tax here, and each time there is to also do different tax here. So you can also check the different tax. You can also check the tax here and make sure you complete the different tax. And don't forget that this project, they will be releasing very soon for yourself. So if you haven't started, you will see the link in the description below. You can start right now. So if you also have member who don't understand about this project, you can also send them this link of this video so that you can start right now. And this project you can make $100 or more, depending on how serious you are in this project. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.